Hello everybody, मेरा नाम Dr. Aman है and I welcome you all to the Dental Bulletin. If you are a dental surgeon and looking for a course to enhance your clinical skills, Odontos Eduversity is your destination. Odontos Eduversity offers 2 months general dentistry course in which we cover everything to make you an expert dentist and enhance your skills to compete in this highly competitive profession. We also offer 12 months orthodontics course in which we will mold you to become an expert orthodontist, whereas we also offer a 4-month implantology course which is designed to help you start with implantology. We are the only academy in India offering 10, 20 and 30 hands-on patient in implantology course. We are the only academy in India to offer hands-on course in implantology in our 2 months general dentistry course. So why are you waiting for? To become a champion dentist, choose Odontos Eduversity today. Odontos Eduversity is the right place and it will help you enhance your skills to become the champion dentist. Make your own identity, enhance your skills and develop yourself professionally. Thank you for watching this video. To inquire more, just send a hi to 9878067123 on WhatsApp. I repeat, send a hi on WhatsApp on the number 9878067123 or just fill the form above. Thank you. Have a pleasant day. Take care.
Completed your BDS or MDS and still not confident with clinical aspects of running a clinic? We understand that with the ever-growing competition in this field, the challenge to establish your professional identity is high. You need to be equipped with the best of clinical expertise to make a mark and create an impactful identity. That's where we come in. We are Odontos Eduversity, one of the finest dental academies in India with over 4,000 successful trainees globally. Through our Eduversity, you can train yourself in specific fields of dentistry to start your own private practice with confidence and deliver the best treatment to your patients with authority. On-the-job training with real patients, latest equipments and experienced staff not only provide the best practical exposure but also provide students a unique opportunity to enhance their skills and excel professionally. Contact us to know more about this course.